how to lengthen and intensify hair in just 1 week. A natural path filled with secrets from nature itself. In this moment, curiosity awakens inside you. You wonder how simple things can create change. Using natural and effective ingredients full of power, we discover remedies that restore beauty and life. The promise of stronger hair fills the air. Every step brings us closer to transformation. The first recipe begins with a sacred herb, rosemary. Fragrant leaves holding strength for your hair. Legends speak of its power since ancient times. A gift from nature, treasured across cultures. Rosemary makes hair longer and naturally thicker. It awakens roots and restores lost vitality. With patience, its magic begins to unfold, promising shine, strength, and flowing strands. Put a handful of rosemary gently in a saucepan. Like planting a seed, this is the first step. Its scent rises with calm and comfort, a sign of healing about to begin. Add 2 tablespoons of rice to the mixture. Rice strengthens hair, bringing silky softness. Together, rosemary and rice form a bond, a blend promising new strength and shine. Add a few cloves with their warm spice. They whisper energy into every follicle. The fragrance fills the room with hope. Each clove carries life for your roots. Cloves stimulate blood flow across the scalp. They awaken hair with renewed growth. Add cinnamon, warm and full of vitality. It stimulates roots and strengthens every strand. The mixture glows with both scent and color, a harmony of nature's finest treasures. Add a full cup of pure water, 200 milliliters. This will draw out nature's healing gift. As it blends, the water grows richer, carrying the power of each ingredient. Patience is the key to miracles. Each bubble signals strength awakening. Place the pot on the stove for 5 minutes. Let fire unlock hidden treasures inside. The air fills with warmth and aroma, a ritual of beauty slowly taking shape. Filter the mixture gently through a strainer. What remains is pure liquid gold for hair. We now need a spray bottle to apply, the vessel that will carry beauty forward. Pour the dark solution gently into the bottle. Every drop carries strength and vitality. Spray your scalp with the healing mist. It nourishes deeply, drop by drop. Spray your hair fully from roots to ends, coating each strand with nature's care. Massage your scalp with gentle fingertips. Awaken circulation. Let nutrients flow. Leave the solution on your hair unwashed. Let it work quietly while you move on. This recipe leaves a scent that lingers, fragrant, fresh, and full of delight. Apply this recipe every day for a week. Dedicate time to your beauty and care. The second recipe starts with bay leaves, fragrant leaves full of quiet strength. Placed in a bowl, they hold tradition, passed down as secrets for strong hair. Every leaf tells stories of healing, carried through generations with trust. Add 1 spoon of dry rosemary carefully. It strengthens and restores hidden energy. Now the blend awaits another partner. Dark leaves of tea join the ritual. Add a spoonful of black tea to the bowl. It brings depth and renewal to hair. The aroma grows rich, layered, and warm, a promise of strength yet to come. Pour in 250 milliliters of clear fresh water. The mixture stirs with gentle motion. Liquid and leaves now blend as one, awaiting the fire's unlocking touch. Now the fire begins its role of change. The mixture prepares to transform again. Boil the ingredients for 10 whole minutes. The steam carries the scent of healing. Patience lets the power slowly awaken. The water absorbs every secret inside. Filter the mixture carefully through a strainer. The liquid shines, clear and precious. It carries the essence of every leaf, a concentrated gift for your hair. Now the potion awaits its final vessel, a spray bottle to bring it to life. We need a spray bottle to apply this recipe, a tool that transforms liquid into mist. Pour the filtered liquid inside the bottle. Seal it with care for daily use. Every drop inside waits with quiet strength, ready to renew your hair with ease. Spray your scalp gently with the solution. Let roots drink its nourishing touch. Leave the solution resting for 1 full hour. Time allows its strength to soak deeply. Then rinse your hair with water and shampoo. Wash away gently, leaving purity behind. Repeat this recipe faithfully twice a week. Consistency is the secret of results. You will notice results from the first week. Visible change shining through each strand. In just 7 days, hair grows long and thick. Flowing strands carry nature's blessing. Thank you for watching and being here. Together, we celebrate nature's gift of hair.